In this short video I will demonstrate how you can configure the traceability model in Orcanos. Right now we see a list of risks. We may want to relate risks with each other for whatever reason. If I open such a risk and try to establish traceability from this risk to any other risk, we will see that when selecting the work item type up here, the risks are missing. This is due to the limitations that are configured right now in Orcanos, not allowing to link risks with other risks. You may want to do so. So how to fix this? As an administrator, you can easily go to the admin area of Orcanos and then to customization traceability setup. In here you can find all the traceability rules in between the different item types. If we look for risks, for the risk item type, we can find there a couple of options available, so you can already link risks to CAPAs, to engineering change orders, to hardware details design and so forth. Now we want to add another rule to allow us linking risks to other risks. We just need to click this plus sign down here. Then we can select from the left hand side that we like to enable the creation of traceability between risks and risks on the other side. So in this case you can select one item type on the left hand side, and then you can even select multiple item types on the right hand side to allow traceability in between those types. In this case we just want to allow traceability between risk and risk on top of the already existing settings. Up here you can also choose a so-called default link type. So of course a trace between a risk and another risk probably has a different meaning than a link, for example, between a requirement and the test case. To support these different meanings of links, you can use different link types. These link types are also configurable. For the sake of simplicity, I will just choose one of those which already exists, and I think the best one which fits quite well here is a link type called cross-reference, because I'm cross-referencing two risks. Then click Add, and you have another traceability rule available in your settings. If I look for risks here again, we should now hopefully find, after refreshing, no, it's already there. We already have the configuration here from risk to risk. The default link type is cross-reference. If we now go back to our project and open up one of the risks, navigate to the traceability tab for that risk, we can see that this risk does not yet have any relationships to other objects. From here we can add new traceability. And now we can really select other risks as targets or sources of this risk. For example, risk number 2271, if this is the one you want to refer to. And once we save this link, the relationship has been created. We may need to refresh the screen to see the traceability. And now we are able to link risks with other risks. So our risk 2281, which is visible here, now has a tick here on traceability, indicating that there are some traces available for that risk. And the trace which is available is a trace to another risk.